We're in the public areas of Sanford where really it's nobody's job to clean any of this up out here, these public lands. The only way it's going to get done is with volunteers like those that are coming out for this Pulling Our Weight event.
It's one thing to see it on the news, but it's something totally different to come here and then work with people and see people who've actually been impacted and how much it actually has devastated, which is why I obviously wanted to pull my weight and help out.
This year, especially with COVID and then the flood, people not being able to get out and be with their work groups, and then the flood being such a huge disaster that needs so many people to do so much work. Pulling Our Weight marries the ability for Dow to collect debris and waste and do it for a really high need area.
A ton of different materials out here. Actually, on the walk just down to the site, there's an entire house that is still in the river, so it's pretty devastating. But there's children's toys that are scattered around. There's roofing materials, all sorts of concrete. There's also plastic bottles that we've seen, containers and things like that.
We have picked up thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds of waste already. We've got a lot more to do, but we're making really good progress. And it's important we do this because this is waste that if we don't collect, it's going into the environment. We got to get it picked up also because it's healthy for the community to be able to move forward with rebuilding, take pride in the community they live in. And so we've come a long way. We've got a long way to go, but we've got committed volunteers who are helping us pull it all off.